Wisconsin is now the 25th state in the nation to pass a right-to-work law, despite saying over the last several months that the issue was a distraction. Governor Walker signed the bill into law this morning. News 3 political reporter Jessica Arp has more from that event.
Governor Walker signing the right-to-work bill at a business in Brown Deer that says it will bring 30 to 50 jobs because the bill is now law.
Today represents a turning point for Badger Meter as we start adding jobs in a freedom-to-work state.
Hosting Governor Scott Walker at his Brown Deer plant, Badger Meter CEO Rich Musin says he'll be moving equipment and dozens of jobs into an open space in his facility, all because of a bill saying union membership and dues cannot be mandatory for workers. What does right to work specifically have to do with whether these jobs are placed here or not?
Right to work is simply another indicator of how friendly the state is and how open the state is to competing with other states. It's a competitive issue.
The governor put pen to paper on the measure amongst GOP leaders, giving them much of the credit for the bill's passage.
This is an issue where, with Act 10, I led on this. In this case, our leaders here led, and we said, you got the votes, and then I said, yes, I will sign it. But it was the leadership you see here who drove the train on this.
Those at the ceremony said the bill would attract business to the state and new talent to companies with unions.
Wisconsin, yet again, showing we are open for business means more than just a slogan. It means the way of operating and doing business here in the great state.
Democrats in recent weeks have predicted dire consequences after right to work, saying that wages and benefits will decrease for all workers in the state and that union membership will drop off, which Republican leadership refutes.
I think it'll increase. I think one of the big changes that this act will bring is it'll change the relationship between the union head and the union membership. They will have to be much more responsive, sell the idea that the union is of value.
The law will be known as Wisconsin Act 1, the first bill officially signed into law in the 2015 session. In Brown Deer, Jessica Arp, WISC News 3.
And the bill is now in effect, but it will not apply to any current union contracts.